I am a skilled HVAC technician, capable of handling any challenge. I approach each job with confidence and precision. Every day, I grow stronger in my knowledge and abilities. My hands are steady and my mind is sharp. I find solutions to complex problems with ease and efficiency. I am committed to delivering high-quality service. I trust my expertise and judgment on every job site. I work with integrity and take pride in my craftsmanship. I am a problem solver, and I enjoy troubleshooting challenges. I embrace learning and continue to improve my skills. I am efficient, organized, and effective in my work. My experience makes me a valuable asset to every team. I handle each job with focus and professionalism. I take pride in keeping homes and businesses comfortable. I am dedicated to providing excellent customer service. I am a reliable and trustworthy technician. I work safely and responsibly at all times. I am confident in my ability to handle emergencies. My expertise makes me stand out in my field. I am always up to date with the latest HVAC technologies. I maintain a positive attitude even in difficult situations. I am patient with myself and others when troubleshooting issues. I am proud of the work I do and the difference it makes. I stay calm and focused under pressure. I enjoy the challenges each new job brings. I provide solutions that save my customers time and money. I trust the process and know that each job gets me closer to mastery. My work is always done with quality and care. I continuously improve my technical and customer service skills. I approach each day with enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. I believe in my ability to complete every job to perfection. I am an expert at diagnosing HVAC issues. My job brings comfort and peace to the lives of others. I trust that I have the right tools and equipment to succeed. I am always focused on providing the best service possible. I am a great communicator with my clients and coworkers. I take pride in my craft and the results I produce. I am always learning and adapting to new technologies. I maintain a work-life balance that supports my well-being. I respect my time and the time of my clients. My work ethic drives me toward constant improvement. I am calm, focused, and confident in all situations. I am proud of the positive impact my work has on the environment. I tackle each challenge with a positive mindset. I find joy in making things work again. I handle all tasks with care and attention to detail. I am a valuable part of my team and organization. I am confident in my ability to troubleshoot and fix issues. My work is always accurate and precise. I trust my training and knowledge to handle any situation. I embrace the opportunity to grow with every job. I stay motivated by my successes and the progress I've made. I focus on safety and never cut corners. I trust my instincts and always make the right decisions. I am dedicated to being a better technician each day. I remain calm and collected when troubleshooting complex systems. I enjoy the satisfaction of solving tough problems. I am always focused on providing the highest level of service. I am knowledgeable, skilled, and always learning. I am resilient and adaptable to the changes in the HVAC industry. I maintain my equipment and tools with care to ensure the best results. I take responsibility for my work and hold myself to high standards. I provide value by offering efficient and cost-effective solutions. I am grateful for the opportunities to learn and grow as a technician. I am always looking for ways to improve my technical skills. I remain composed in high-pressure situations. I trust my training and knowledge to handle any issue. I am always on time and prepared for each job. I am a leader in my field, committed to excellence. I am capable of making quick and informed decisions. I handle every job with respect for my customers' needs. I am confident in my ability to manage multiple tasks. I am a lifelong learner, always seeking to improve my craft. I take pride in my work and the quality of the results. I am focused on creating long-term solutions, not temporary fixes. I am an important part of a team that delivers exceptional service. I am proud of the work I do and the comfort it brings to others. I stay organized and keep track of every detail in my work. I thrive on providing solutions that keep my customers happy. I trust my ability to handle any HVAC system or situation. I remain calm and composed even when problems arise. I am a strong and capable HVAC technician. I am efficient, thorough, and consistent in my work. I am confident in my knowledge of HVAC systems and repairs. I take pride in leaving a job site clean and organized. I am always striving for continuous improvement in all aspects of my work. I am calm under pressure and make sound decisions. I take pride in my work and always aim for perfection. I am an expert at diagnosing and fixing HVAC problems.